To celebrate Coral Reef Awareness Week, we wanted to highlight some of the work being done with corals here at the Virginia Aquarium. Our team is involved in several coral reef conservation initiatives, including support for the Association of Zoos and Aquariums Coral Safe program, public education on coral reef ecosystems, and research on methods for growing and rearing corals in professional care, particularly through the work in our dedicated coral lab. In our coral lab, we propagate corals through a method called fragmentation, or fragging. This process involves taking a small piece from an existing coral colony and attaching it to a plug, where it can grow into a new colony over time. Coral reefs may only cover about 1% of the ocean floor, but they support an estimated 25% of all marine life, making them one of the most important and diverse ecosystems on the planet. Although corals may resemble plants, they're actually animals made up of tiny connected polyps. These polyps live in a close relationship with algae that live inside their tissue. The algae give corals their vibrant colors and provide essential nutrients through photosynthesis. The algae are also provided with essential nutrient from the coral. This mutual relationship is known as symbiosis. However, when corals experience stress, most commonly from elevated ocean temperatures, the algae leave the coral's tissue, causing the coral to turn white in a process known as coral bleaching. Without the algae, the coral loses its main source of nutrition and can eventually die. Unfortunately, global coral bleaching events have become more frequent due to climate change and rising ocean temperatures. Despite these challenges, there's hope. Conservation efforts around the world, including those at the Virginia Aquarium, are working to identify and grow coral species that are more resilient to climate stress. These efforts aim to restore damaged reefs and preserve these vital ecosystems for future generations.